Right. So let's start case 2. Okay. So what is this case 2? Listen carefully. Case 2. Work done to shift a body at rest from the surface of planet into an orbit in which body revolves. Okay. So listen carefully. It is very interesting part. See here. Now this is a planet. Okay. And this planet is having radius r. And what is the mass? Capital M. Okay. Right. Now, what is the case? See, work done to shift a body at rest from the surface of planet means we are having body somewhere here on the surface, and this body we are shifting here at height h. Yes, no, at height h, and this body is orbiting. What is happening? This is orbiting around the planet or revolving around the planet. So definitely it is having velocity. Let's assume that this object is having orbital velocity v naught and its mass is m as usual. Understood? Is that clear? Okay. Now see here. Yes, understanding everyone? Please tell. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Total energy at surface now. Total energy at surface is equal to potential energy at surface plus kinetic energy at surface. Now you see, at rest means initially when it is at surface, its initial velocity is 0. So that's why potential energy is what here? Minus Gmm divided by R plus half into m into 0 square, because u is 0. So what is total energy at surface? Minus Gmm by R. Is that clear? Any doubt? Please ask. Yes? Clear? Eh?
Clear, sir.
Okay. This is at surface. Next one. Now, at height h. So total energy at height h is equal to potential energy at height h plus kinetic energy at height h. This is equal to minus below Gmm by R plus h plus half into m into v naught square. Any doubt? Any doubt?
Understood,
Sir.
sir.
Now see here, we have learned this. We know orbital velocity. We know orbital velocity formula. What is that? V naught is equal to under root of Gm divided by R plus H, and therefore V naught square is equal to Gm divided by R plus H. Can I substitute here this value? Yes or no? Therefore, total energy at height H is equal to minus Gm divided by R plus H plus half into M into Gm by R plus H. So what I can take common? Bolo. What I can take common? Yes, Srinidhi. What I can take common?
GM by R plus
GM by R plus H.
GMM by R.
GMM by R plus H I have taken common. What is left here? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Bolo, कौन बोलेगा? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. How much?
Minus 1 by
Minus
2.
Half, sir. Minus 1 by
So
2.
can I write like this? Minus GMM divided by R plus H, and it is 1 by 2 means here it is 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, work done means what, Ray? Work done means nothing but the difference in the magnitude of these energies. Okay. So now work done is equal to, you take magnitude, total energy at surface minus total energy at height H. Anything you subtract, not at all issue. Okay. As it is small r means this value will come bigger. That's why I'm taking it first. So just magnitude, either this or this, no problem. Anything you can subtract from anyone. A minus B or B minus A is almost same. Okay. Just magnitude. So see here. Now, what we are getting? Magnitude, don't take this minus sign. Here also magnitude I am taking. So Gm by R minus Gm by R plus H. So what I can take common here? I can take Gmm common. What is left? 1 by R minus 1 by R plus H. Yes, no? So this is W is equal to Gm into bracket R plus H. See what I am doing? R plus H minus R divided by R into R plus H. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Here it is bracket close. Clear है सब कुछ? देखो. Now this R and this R I am cancelling. R minus R cancel. So what is the answer? Who will tell me? 2 is there now. 2 is missing. Yes. 2 is missing. है कि नहीं?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे 2 मिस हो गया. देखो इधर इधर ये 2 देखो, चेक करो. ये 2 है तो यहाँ पे भी 2 आना चाहिए, है ना? तो अब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? देखो ये 2 अपना मिस हो गया. 1 मिनट, है कि नहीं? चेक करो एक बार. ये देखो, एक बार फिर से करो. अब देखो ये 2 इंटू आर प्लस एच हो गया ना. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? W इज इक्वल टू Gm इंटू ब्रैकेट 2 इंटू आर प्लस एच माइनस आर डिवाइडेड बाय 2R इंटू आर प्लस एच. सही है? चेक करो. अब देखो कितना होगा? Gm इंटू this is 2R plus 2H minus R divided by 2r into r plus h. सही है? ओके, चेक करो. अब ये 2r minus r कितना होगा? r है ना? तो क्या मैं ऐसे लिखूं आप डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला? Gm r plus 2h divided by 2r into r plus h. अब देखो, अब ठीक है, चेक करो एक बार. एवरीथिंग इज करेक्ट. चेक इट वंस. यस. यस नो. राइट है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, right. Now you can note down. This box formula is only important, okay? This case and this one. This is just for your understanding how we got this formula. Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you understood now this total energy at surface and total energy at height, you can do it yourself this all. Okay. So next case you see, case number 3. Case number 3. Work done to shift a body. Work done to shift a body revolving around the planet, revolving around the planet from one orbit into another. Now in this case, what we are going to do, already one object is revolving around the planet in one particular orbit. Let me draw the diagram, then you will understand. Now see, this is what a planet. Okay, and let us suppose this is what first orbit. This is what first orbit, which is at height h1, suppose, and this is another orbit. I will change the color. So let us suppose this is let's take this. Okay, this is another orbit. You can see now. How many orbits we are having here? How many orbits below? 2 orbits. Yes, no? So first orbit is at height h1 and another orbit is at height h2. Okay. So this is what object is. So it is not on surface now, it is moving in this or revolving in this orbit. Right. Now, as it is having 2 orbits, definitely they are having 2 different velocities. Agree? So let us assume that this first orbit is having v1 velocity, second orbit is having v2 velocity. This is h1 and this is h2. Clear hai? Check karo. And this is what, as usual, planet radius is r, the mass of planet is capital M, and this object is having mass m, or this satellite is having mass m. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes,
Everything
sir.
समझ में आया? पहला
Yes, sir.
ऑब्जेक्ट हाइट h1 पे रोटेट हो रहा है, दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब already it is revolving, we are lifting from this orbit and we are launching into another orbit. Okay, ये जो दिख रहा है ना कलर वाला, ये है orbit 1, this is orbit 2. Okay, so see now what I am doing, listen now, I will start from here only at this time so that our full derivation will be fit in this page only or on this page only. So see, total energy at height h1. So first potential energy at height h1 plus kinetic energy at height h1. Who will tell me potential energy? Bolo bolo, कौन बोलेगा? Yes. Potential energy at height h1. Bolo.
Minus gmm by r plus h1.
Gm by r plus
h1.
very good. And what is kinetic energy there? Half m
V1 square.
v1 square. Now can I write like this? v1 is equal to under root of gm by r plus h1. Can I write like this? And therefore v1 square is gm by r plus h1. Can I write like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Therefore total energy at height h1 is equal to minus gmm by r plus h1 plus half m and this v1. Shall I write directly? Gmm by 2 into r plus h1. Understood everyone this part? Please tell me.
Understood, sir.
Just this v1 square is there now. This v1 square we have replaced with this part, and that's why we got gmm by r plus h1, and this is 2 also. So if I will take gmm by r plus h1 common, direct I am writing now. Okay, what is the answer? Who will tell me? Bolo bolo. Minus gmm by 2 into r plus h1. How you got understood? Understood? Yes or no? बोलो रे, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we did, gmm by r plus h1 we have taken common, minus 1 plus half, minus 1 by 2. Same like here. Same how we did here, you see. Here it is there now. Yes. Same like that only. Where we did in the previous case, I think. ये देखो यहाँ पे -1 plus half, है ना? Same like this only. Just here h1 I have taken common and then just at the place of h1. Understood this part? Can you see here? ये देखो same है, same. Just h के place पे h1 है. Understood? Yes or no?
Understood, sir.
Very good. Please speak out. Okay, please speak. If you have doubt, immediately you ask. Now next you see, now total energy height at height h2 we have to calculate, है ना? Total energy at height h2 is equal to potential energy at height h2 plus kinetic energy at height h2. Who will tell me? Yes, potential energy at height h2. Bolo. Yes.
minus gmm by r plus h2.
Very good. Minus gmm by r plus h2. Next kinetic energy.
half m v2 square.
Half m v2 square. What is v2 here? Bolo. Yes. Gm by r plus h2, and that's why v2 square is equal to gm by r plus h2. Yes or no? Bolo. And therefore total energy at height h2 is equal to minus gmm by r plus h2 plus, again bolo, gmm by 2 into r plus h2. And you know, if I will take gmm by r plus h2 common, -1 plus half, same like this only I will get. What is that? Total energy at height h2 is equal to minus gmm by 2 into r plus h2. Any doubt? Please ask. Yes. Yes or not? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now work done we have to find. What is the work done, Ray? We know magnitude है ना, total energy at height h1 ले लो minus total energy at height h2. Okay, so this is equal to, what is total energy at height h1? Magnitude ले लो gmm by 2 into r plus h1 minus gmm by 2 into r plus h2. Agree with me, everyone? What I can take common? Bolo. Gmm by 2. 1 by
Yes, sir.
r plus h1 minus 1 by r plus h2. सही है? Okay, this is equal to gmm by 2 r plus h2 into 1 r plus h2 minus this r plus h1. सही है ना? Divided by this into this. So r plus h1 into r plus h2. सही है क्या? Yes or no? Yes. Please speak. Now this r and this
Yes, sir.
minus r. ये देखो r plus h2 minus r minus h1. divided, just multiply with minus sign, R plus H1 into R plus H2. And now this R and this R I am cancelling. So what is the formula? Final formula, GM by 2 into H2 minus H1 divided by R plus H1 into bracket R plus H2. This is what work done in this case. Clear? Yes, go out. Yes, any doubt, please ask. Note down fast. Yes, finished. Now last case here. Last case, case number 4. Work done or additional energy we can say. Required to escape a body which is initially revolving around the planet close to the surface. Okay, close to the surface. Right. Now see, very small case. What is the condition? Here it is a planet and the object is revolving now very, very close. I will change the color. Wait. Very, very close to the surface means like this. Yes, H is nearly equal to R, hai na? Yes, H is very, very less than R. H is not equal to R. Okay, H is very, very less than R, and that's why H plus R will become R only. So this condition is what? H is very, very less than R, and that's why R plus H is nearly equal to R. H is equal to R means this total height will become now 2R, hai na? Not like that. Okay, this condition. Good, very good. Yes, Nisha, right. Now, see here. First of all, body is escaping now. So initial energy I am talking, I am calculating total energy at surface is equal to what rate? Minus GMM by R. Why? Because R plus H is going to be R. है ना? Yes. And kinetic energy is what right here? Half m v naught square. You can see here, this is not at rest. Here also object is moving with what? Velocity v naught. And that's why this is minus GMM by R plus half into m into v naught value is what ray? Root gm by r plus h. But here it is very close to the surface. That's why can I write like this, gm by r only? Yes, no? And that's why minus gmm by r plus gmm by 2r. Is that clear? Any doubt? Please ask. Near to the surface, okay? Very close to the surface. That's why I have written as a yes only. Okay. If you want, you can change it to initial energy also. If you are having doubt in the denotion, let it be I. Any doubt here? Understood? Just r plus h is there now. Just I have replaced with r. Why I replace with r? Because it is very close to the earth's surface, and that's why h is negligible. Okay. Now see here, body escapes from planet. Already I told, if total energy, that is total final energy, is equal to 0, and that's why total final energy is equal to 0. And now work done we have to find. Work done is what rate? Total energy initial, we can say magnitude minus total energy final magnitude. So what you will get, Ray? Bolo bolo. Just this one. What is that? If you will subtract this, what you will get? Minus GMM by 2R. So here it is, same value will come, GMM by 2R. This is what? Work done. And this is nothing but what, Ray? Kinetic energy of body. Understood? Clear है? कोई डाउट है तो पूछो. Yes. Will you please tell understood this part? Nisha, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sritan understood? Anirudh, you understood? Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Anirudh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, Deepika, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Don't tell me, sir. Don't ask. Don't take our names. Okay. Next, anyone is having doubt? Who is this Jed? Who is this Jed? Who is this Jed Ray? Shall I remove? Tell me your name. Is he from our class? Yes or no? बोलो रे, कोई तो बोलो. ये अपने
No,
क्लास
sir.
का है क्या? हाँ?
पता नहीं सर.
Okay. Yes, understood till here. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So let's stop here for today. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.